In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets formulas in Google Docs. This is a powerful way to combine the data crunching capabilities of Google Sheets with the document preparation strengths of Google Docs. Whether you're preparing a report or just want to streamline your workflow, learning to integrate Sheets formulas into your docs can be a game changer. So, let's dive into the process. First, we need to create a formula in Google Sheets. This is an essential step because without it, you won't have any data to insert into your Google Doc. So go ahead and open Google Sheets. If you're not familiar, Google Sheets is Google's cloud-based spreadsheet solution, much like Microsoft Excel, but with the added benefit of easy online collaboration and sharing. Once you've got the application open, begin by entering your data into the sheet. This could be anything from sales figures to personal budgeting numbers, depending on what you need for your document. You'll want to make sure your data is accurate and well organized, as it will form the basis of the information you'll be bringing into your Google Doc later. Now move to the next step by clicking on the cell where you want your calculation to appear. This is where the magic happens. Enter your desired formula right into this cell. If you're new to Google Sheets, you can start with something simple, like the sum function to add numbers in a range of cells. As you become more comfortable, you can explore more complex formulas. After you've typed in your formula, go ahead and press enter. This step finalizes the calculation, updating the cell with your result. Google Sheets will instantly compute the formula and display the result. This real-time calculation feature is what makes working with spreadsheets so effective. Once you have your formula ready and data calculated, you are all set to integrate this into Google Docs. Although we won't cover the exact process of embedding the formula into Google Docs in this video, understanding how to create and finalize your formulas in Google Sheets is a crucial first step. It's really about setting a strong foundation. If you find yourself repeating similar formulas across different documents in the future, remember to save your Google Sheet for easy access. This practice can save you a lot of time, especially if you have recurring reports or projects that rely on similar data. And there you have it. We've walked through setting up and using formulas in Google Sheets, setting you up for success when it's time to insert these into Google Docs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more tutorials on enhancing your productivity with Google tools. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.